Hello students, I welcome you all in your EVS class. Today we are going to continue chapter number 11 from here to there, part 3. Today we are going to discuss, in this video we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of land transport. Then we are going to see advantages and disadvantages of air transport. And lastly we are going to see advantages and disadvantages of water transport. What are the things we are going to see in this? All these things we are going to see. Okay, now let's see what is land transport. You can recall all those things. The vehicles which move on land is known as land transport, right? You can see here few examples. Now let's see its advantages. Advantages of land transport. The very first one is, children, is land transport can provide door-to-door service to us. Okay, it can provide door-to-door service to us. Then the second point, land transport helps to provide service in rural areas. Even in villages also it provides services. Okay, it moves in any of the part. Next, transport charges varies as per location. Suppose someone is going nearby, then it is less. Then a little bit far, then it is different. So as per different location, it is varies. The charges varies. Okay. The fourth one is speed varies as per different vehicles. Suppose you are in bike, then there is a different speed. If you are in scooter, then is different speed. If you are in cycle, then different speed. Okay, as per your vehicle, your speed varies. Okay, disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? First one, carrying capacity is less compared to water transport. If you will compare with water transport, then it is less. But if you will compare with air transport, then it is more in few cases. Like in trucks and all, you can carry more. In trains also. But compared to water transport, it is less. Okay, second point, children, during rainy season you have seen what is the condition of a road. There is chances of accidents, right? There are many problems people face during rainy season, right? Because of water gets collected in different parts, right? That's why. Yes. Then also the road becomes sleepy. Here the next, that is air transport. We are going to talk about different air transport. What are the facilities, advantages we get from it? Let's see advantages of air transport. The very first one is, it is the fastest mode of transport. We know very well, within country or with or outside country, if you want to move, it is very easy and very fast to move with the help of aeroplane transport or aero transport or air transport, right? It becomes very easy and very fastest. Air transport is suitable for long distance, that I already mentioned, within country or outside country. For foreign countries also, it becomes easy to travel with air transport. Okay, third one, it is suitable for transporting lightweights and valuable goods to any part of the world. What it is? It can carry only lightweight, not heavy weights. Okay, it cannot carry heavy weights or heavy goods. Light weights it can carry, and it can move to any part of a world. Yes. Fourth point, goods are transported safely. Why? Because it is packed well. Okay, as the goods are also in lightweight, they are also getting good packed over here. So they can move safely. Okay. Disadvantages. Transport charges are very high. Why? Because aeroplane, as we are going in aeroplanes or helicopters, it charges more money. Okay, it charges more money as we are traveling to outside countries or foreign countries or from one state to another. So it charges is more. It cannot provide service in rural areas. As we have seen in road transport, it can provide door-to-door service, but aeroplane cannot, or air transport cannot. Why? Aeroplane cannot get that much big area, or airports are not available in rural area. Very less areas are there you can find airports. Carrying capacity is also less. That we have already seen. Very light weights only they can carry. Okay, now the last, children, that is water transport. Okay, you have already seen it in the last video. Now today we are going to see some advantages of water transport. What is it? It has a huge carrying capacity, big machines, there are many vehicles, many other things, very heavy goods can be transferred with the help of water transports. Okay, next, it is suitable for long distance. Okay, it is also suitable for long distance. If you are going from long distance, that time also you can use this. Okay, next, transport charges are lowest. Means compared to air transport, compared to road transport, it charges is less. Okay, the fourth point is goods are also, here also we can safely collect the goods or transport the goods. Why? Because here also they have more space to carry, and also it is packed well. Okay, disadvantages. What is the disadvantage? It is the slowest mode of transport. It moves very slow. That means if you are trying to go from one country to another, it will take too much time. You have to take patience. You have to take many days along with you for moving in this kind of transports. Okay. Second point, it is not suitable for small businesses. That means if suppose a small businessman is there, he want to carry his things from one place to another, then it is not suitable for him. He have to charge more, and he won't be able to have that much patience for so many days. He have to spend so many days for traveling from one place to another. Okay, it's time for assessment. What you have seen. Okay, the very first question is, children, there are many advantages of land transport. You have to mention any 3 points. Recall whatever things we have seen already. Those things, among those things, you have to write any 3 points. If you can add your own point, you are most welcome. You are always welcome for that. You can add your own point too. Okay. The second question, there are many advantages of air transport too. Even here also you have to mention any 3 points. Children, just recall the video, whatever things you have seen in the video. From there, if you can write. Okay, if you want to add your own point, you can. Okay, third one, there are many advantages of water transport. Yes, that also we have seen. Among those, you have to mention any 3 points. How many? Any 3 points you are going to mention. Okay. Now the fourth question, children. Mention any 2 disadvantages of land transport. As we have seen advantages, we have also seen disadvantages of land transport. You have to mention any 2 among those. Okay. Yes. Next, mention any 2 disadvantages of air transport. We have to mention any 2 disadvantages of air transports also. Okay. The last question, children. You have to mention 2 disadvantages of water transport. What are those? You have to write among them. Okay. Okay, children. Stay safe at your home. Don't go outside. Listen to your parents and elders, and also obey to your teachers. Respect to them too. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Seasonal fruits and vegetables specially. Okay. Without fail, you have to eat it. And also, children, you have to take 8 glasses at least. Drink at least 8 glasses of water. And we all know we have to do yoga or exercises for making yourself fit and fine. Never fail to wear masks and also wash it regularly. Okay? Just wearing is not enough. You have to wash it. Cleanliness is also required. Thank you, children.